If you're seeing a GoDaddy privacy error or SSL security warning when trying to access your website or dashboard, don't panic. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to fix the GoDaddy privacy error, whether it's happening on your live site or inside the web builder. Make sure you follow each step in order, because often the solution is simpler than you think. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and tech tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is the simplest fix, and surprisingly, it works more often than you'd expect. Refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl+R. On Mac, press CMD+R. This reloads the GoDaddy dashboard or editor, and sometimes clears temporary SSL loading issues. If the privacy error was caused by a minor loading glitch, this alone can resolve it instantly. If the error still appears, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to hard refresh your browser. A normal refresh doesn't always reload security certificates. A hard refresh forces your browser to fetch everything again, including updated SSL certificates. On Windows, press Ctrl+F5. On Mac, press CMD+Shift+R. After doing this, wait a few seconds and see if the privacy warning disappears. If the issue was related to a cached certificate, this should fix it. If you're still seeing the error, step 3 is to check the date and time on your device. This is extremely important. Incorrect system time is one of the most common causes of SSL privacy errors. Open your device settings and go to Date and Time. Make sure automatic date and time is turned on. If it's off, enable it and let your system sync. Once that's done, reopen your browser and reload the GoDaddy site. If your clock was wrong, this usually fixes the problem immediately. Next, step 4 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger GoDaddy error messages and SSL warnings. Try opening another website to see if it loads properly. If other sites are also slow or failing, your connection may be the issue. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network if possible, or try using mobile data temporarily. Once you have a stable connection, reload your GoDaddy website and see if the privacy error is gone. Step 5 is to use a different browser. Sometimes the GoDaddy editor or dashboard may not work properly on one browser due to extensions or outdated settings. If you're using Chrome, try opening the site in Firefox or Edge. If you're on Safari, try Chrome. If it works in another browser, then the issue is likely browser-specific, and you can focus on fixing or resetting your original browser. Step 6 is to clear your browser cache. Corrupted cached files can cause SSL and privacy errors to persist even after certificates are updated. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. You don't necessarily need to delete passwords or history unless you want to. Clear the cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and then load your GoDaddy site again. Finally, step 7 is to republish your site if you're using GoDaddy Web Builder. Log into your GoDaddy account, open Web Builder, and click Publish. Republishing forces GoDaddy to refresh and reissue certificates if needed. After publishing, wait a few minutes and then check your live site again. In many cases, this step fully resolves SSL-related privacy warnings. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix a GoDaddy privacy error quickly and safely. Start from the top and work your way down, and one of these steps should solve the issue. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.